Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, we'll be comparing Microsoft Outlook and Gmail. We'll be taking a deep dive into the future and functionalities of these two popular email service providers. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the user interface. As you can see, Outlook has a familiar layout with a navigation panel on the left and the email list and preview pane on the right. It's perfect for those who prefer a traditional email setup. Outlook offers a range of features like a built-in calendar and a task manager, making it a robust option for professionals who want all their productivity tools in one place. On the other hand, Gmail sports a more modern and minimalistic design. The navigation is simplified with categories like primary, social, and promotional neatly organized. Gmail focuses on simplicity without compromising functionality. It provides powerful features like smart categorization, customizable labels, and ability to snooze emails, helping you stay organized and in control. Now, let's explore the productivity features offered by both platforms. Outlook offers robust tools like email filters, rules, and folders to help you manage your inbox efficiently. With these features, you can prioritize and organize your emails effortlessly, ensuring that important messages never get lost in the clutter. Gmail, on the other hand, introduces us to a different approach. Instead of folders, Gmail uses labels, allowing you to categorize your emails without the need for complex folder structures. In addition, Gmail offers advanced search capabilities, including filters and operators, making it a breeze to find that one elusive email buried deep within your inbox. Security and privacy are top-notch concerns for email users. Rest assured, both Outlook and Gmail have robust measures in place to protect your data. There you have it, a comprehensive comparison of Outlook and Gmail. Both platforms offer unique features and cater to different needs. So it ultimately comes down to the personal preference. Now it's your time to decide. Let's know in the comment section which email service you prefer and why. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next nugget.